Okay, let's talk about the liabilities. The liabilities simply means an obligation. Utang, mga obligasyon mo, mga dapat bayaran. That is a liabilities. Ang liabilities ay kailangan nating ma-settle on time. Settlement value. Magkano ba yung utang mo doon sa bangko? Magkano ba ang dapat mong bayaran? Resulting from your past events. Dahil nangyari nangutang ka nung past events mo, babayaran mo siya ngayon. Okay? Tingnan natin. It is classified into, we have current liabilities. Current liabilities pertains to a 12 months operating cycle na dapat within that cycle, nabayaran mo yung obligasyon mo para ma-recognize mo siya as your current liabilities. Example natin, we have accounts payable from your suppliers. We have the notes payable na in-issue ng bangko o ng other financial institution. We have the unearned revenues. Unearned revenues is an advance payment already received but not yet earned. So, ibig sabihin, may utang ka pa doon sa nagre-renta sa bahay mo. No? So, ibig sabihin, may hindi ka pa nare-render na service, kaya unearned revenues muna. Kasi meron ka pang in advance payment, then later on, kapag na-execute na yung contract, diyan ka palang kikita. No? So, ngayon, liability mo pa siya. We have accrued expenses. Plus, yung accrued expenses, tandaan ninyo, yung accrued expenses na yan, yung mga sa kuryente, utilities mostly yan. Makikita mo yan sa mga Meralco, makikita mo yan sa LA Water, yung mga billing, PLDT, yan, yung mga internet. So, makikita mo yan doon na pag nag-issue dyan ng SOA, statement of account, o bill mo, kasi babayaran mo siya at the end of the period, yan ay, masasabi mo, accrued expenses. Expenses that is already incurred but not yet paid. So, pag sinabi namang, plus take note din, notes payable, meron tayong principal amount plus interest. Kapag may interest payable ka, naka-attach yan doon sa notes payable mo. Pwede rin sa loans payable din. Appropriate din yan sa mga loans payable. So, pag loans payable naman, inutang mo din siya, pero karamihan ito sa mga bangko. Kakibat niyan yung interest payable on loans. Okay? Tapos, we have also the non-current liabilities. Ito yung other definition niya na wala doon sa current. Ibig sabihin, long-term yung utang mo. Like bonds payable. Parang din siyang series of shares na may certificate of indebtedness ka na kailangan mong bayaran in the long run through interest. Kasi may interest din yan eh. Interest on bonds. So, kailangan mabayaran mo siya. Kasi ano siya? Debt investment siya. Okay? So, source of financing mo din siya kapag nangangailangan ka ng pondo. Then, we have the mortgage payable. Kapag gusto mo mag-loan sa bahay, sa mga real property mo, you have to undergo an obligation to pay for the mortgage payable. We have also the long-term portion of long-term debt. Kaya mga panghabang buhay ng utang, mabayaran mo siya. Mga 20 years, series of 10 years. That is non-current liabilities. Dito meron din naman current portion din. Yung mga current portion ng long-term debt mo is subject for current liabilities. Okay?